G'day, here's a small deal of Boulder Opal pieces from central Queensland. Be up on our website opalshop.com.au shortly. Rules in millimetres, materials being wetted, a variety of pieces, a few pieces of matrix like that piece over there in my hand. Anyway, I'll zoom in. Okay, we've zoomed in. This has been just randomly tipped out of a large bucket of pieces. Go through a few of them for you. This piece is piece of matrix, little eyes of colour there, little faces. Such a good bit. This has been basically put together as a beginner parcel. Now this could be a very nice stone. It needs to be ground down here till you get to this layer, much like cutting a black opal or seam opal. That could be a very nice little stone, that one. Picture stone. There's a few pieces in here that haven't got much colour. It's been priced on what I think you might get out of it. A piece like that, you just cut it into a nice shape and use the pattern. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.